Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in the game The 7 Deadly Sins Origin. So here follow the steps. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on system and then click on sound. Scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Then go to the spatial sound and from the drop down here select off, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your sound or audio problem is fixed or not. If not, and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down here select Windows Sonic for headphones and then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and then check if a problem is solved or not. Next solution is step to fix sound problem or audio problem in the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game if you're using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, then select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings, right click your headphones and then select properties. Now go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then click on apply and then check if a problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to make sure your sound levels in the game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the game The 7 Deadly Sins Origin game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using a headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Solution 4 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera phone, etc. and then launch the game and check. Solution 5 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game, and after the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So I hope by following these solutions you can easily solve sound or audio problem in the 7 Deadly Sins Origin game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.